Hi guys. Well, let's move on to animating the Manchester United logo. We open a new composition and insert the logo into the new composition. Select the layer, press S to show the scale, make it smaller. As before, we create a new solid, name it background, search a gradient ramp and effect and preset section. Insert this effect on the solid layer. We bring the background layer down so that it is behind the logo. Lower the start of ramp to behind the logo and in the middle. Set the ramp shape to the radial ramp. And now we change the position of the end ramp until it looks appropriate. We want the start color to be one of the color of the logo itself, so we choose yellow. For the end color, we choose the red color of the logo and press OK. Slightly change the end of ramp position to have a better gradient in the image.